poem that is written by me. The title of the poem is Transit. Lying on a bench at the airport, I am half asleep, half awake. An eye closed, the other on the bag. Am I sleeping or is it all fake? Sitting at the airport, I wait for the next flight. Tired, sleepy, sleepless, it has been a long night. Sitting on the bench on my side. Sitting on the bench on my side, two old parents on a strike. To meet their son who has left ages ago for the future to be bright. Afraid. They are afraid. I can see they are afraid. For them, airport is a strange place. Noisy, bright, engulfed with the fright. Agony written on their face. Sitting in a miserable plight. Like me, waiting for the next flight. When is the next flight? With sleepy eyes, I see a group of teenage girls. They giggle and their wings flutter. The next flight has no meaning for them. Nothing for them is a shack. They giggle as they can bring a flying machine back. With closed eyes, I hear the shouts, and the electronics board shout. When is the next flight? The next flight will take off at its time. Not earlier, not later, at its time. Thank you.